In marketing, there are a lot of bases to cover. Consistency and the correct frequency so you can start creating momentum in your marketing activities. Social media automation is an important aspect of your digital marketing strategy. Admit it, your time is never enough to do everything that you need to do in order to grow your business. As many experienced entrepreneurs will say, you should focus on the 20% tasks that will generate 80% results. With all these considerations, social media automation is the perfect support that you should start using in your business. This is especially true for startups, small to medium businesses, and solo entrepreneurs. By automating your social media, you will be able to 1. Save a lot of time. Instead of spending hours researching interesting contents and fresh articles, then scheduling them on your social media account, in just a few minutes you can now do all those too. Save a lot of money. The good thing about automation is you still have control, but at the same time, it works even without your presence. 3. Increase brand interaction the easy way. Digital marketing professionals agree that an active social media account tends to deliver higher results. Also, consumers are most likely to buy into a business with an active page. This means that they are very serious about what they are offering and they are in touch with their customers. For other tips, link is in description with other YouTube video that guide in beginning a digital agency. Please like and subscribe for more tips.